सॅटर्डे येयल्ले आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर आनी सॅटर्डे हांगासून मागीर आमी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर गेले. पुलीस स्टेशनान आमकां कितें एक एश्युरन्स दिले की बाबा मंडे पासून आमचें सॉर्ट आउट जातलें. बट आजून पासून कांय जावंक ना म्हणून आमी आतां परतून येयल्ले हें करपाक तांकां. आतां आमकां कितें खबर मेळटा तें आमकां आतां कितें कॉल येता पुलिसांचो तो आमकां करूंक जाय फुडें. तो पुलीस स्टेशनार व्हरोंक जाय काय आनी खंय सोडूंक जाय तें आमकां ते सांगतले आतां. सो ताका लागून हांव आयज येयला हांगासर की फाल्यां आनी 2 दिसान चवथ. ओके, हेंचें जर आयज कितें सॉर्ट आउट जाता जाल्यार लास्ट बरें. हेजे फुडें आनी हांव फुडें कितें आनी कॅरी फॉर्ड करूंक सोदिना हेंकां घेवन. कितें आहा तें वन टायम सॉर्ट आउट करूंक जाय हेंच्यांनी, हें चिंतता फक्त आनी कांय ना. आनी रावतले आमी हांगासर आनी तांकां हांव गाडयेन बसयतलो आनी तांकां गोंय आतां सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट काय EPW डिपार्टमेंट काय पुलीस स्टेशन खंय धाडूंक जाय थंयसर हांव तांकां धाडून दिता. काय प्रोविजोरी तो धाडटले ते सगळे पुलीस डिसायड करतले. सो तेंचे हातीन आहा कितें आहा तें. सो हांव तांकां गाडयेन घालून दवरतलो. मागीर
सॅटर्डे तुमकां कितें अश्युरन्स दिलेलें आनी कोणें दिलें तुमकां?
पळय आमकां सॅटर्डे एश्युरन्स दिले की म्हाका जर PIन फोन येयलो थंयसर तो PSI सांगलेलो की तुमचें सॅटर्डे पासून सॉर्ट आउट जातलें, म्हणजे मंडे पासून सॉर्ट आउट जातलें. सो ते इन्शुरन्स घेवन आमी ते दीस गेले. ओके, तांकांय परत भायर हाडूं म्हाकाय बरें दिसना. ओके, हे हांव तांकां लास्ट हाडटा भायर हांगासर आनी हेजे फुडें हांव भायर आनी हाडचो ना. आनी कितें आहा तें फुडें प्रोसेस कितें आहा तें आयजूच कितें तें सॉर्ट आउट करपाचें.
कोणें अधिकाऱ्यान कितें हें दिलेलें तुमकां आश्वासन दिलेलें?
म्हाका कोण तो कांय खबर ना. ओके, मात अशें सांगलें गेलें की आमकां एक कॉल येयला की बाबा तुमच्या तुमच्या मंडे पासून सॉर्ट आउट करता.
आता कितले जाणां आहे सगळे?
ते 30 जाणां.
सगळ्या DGPक मेळ्ळी सर तुमी
सगळे DGP कडेन गेल्लो दोनाल मेळपाक. सो हांव नको तेंच्यांनी DGP कडेन गेल्ले ना DGP कडेन वचोंक. सो आमी गेले पुलीस स्टेशनार गेले. एक्सप्लेन टू द कलेक्टराक एक्सप्लेन.
कितें अश्युरन्स बी येयला
ना पळयता सगळ्यांक पळयता म्हणटा. सो आमी हांगा बसतले आनी तांकां आमी गाडयेन दवरता आनी म्हाका कितें कॉल येता तो हांव फुडें धाडटलो.
पण आयज तुमकां एश्युरन्स येयले मागीर परत तुमी 2 दिसाक रावले
ना, हेजे फुडें आनी हाडचो ना हांव.
एश्युरन्स येयले
एश्युरन्स येयल्यार
डायरेक्ट CMाक सांगलें.
CMान जर डायरेक्ट कितें सांगता जाल्यार ओके, प्रॉब्लेम ते सॉल्व. आनी म्हणटा आनी कोण एश्युरन्स दिना कांय दिना जाल्यार हे लास्ट टायम आसा.
लास्ट टायम तुमी म्हणले BJP टॉप लिडरशिप सांगलेले CMा कडेन मेवतले आनी सॉर्ट जातले बाय मंडे. कितें जालें तेजें?
ते अजून हांव
कोण उलयलें तें?
5 पासून रावंक शकता, 5-5:30 पासून. आतां ते आमकां कितें सांगता तशें. थोडे जाण सांगता राव मातशें. सो आमी रावंक सोदता. मागीर तांकां गाडयेन दवरतलो हांव आनी हांव खंय वयतना हांव हांगाच आसतलो 5-5:30.
पूण समज मागीर 5:30 पासून करून समज तुमकां फोन येना कोणाचो मागीर कितें?
मागीर पुलीस
पुलीस स्टेशनार दोनूय शेल्टर होमान गेलो केप्यां आनी कावोलीस. हे सेम ते दिरसाक तेच
ते
सेम
तितले 30 जाणांकूच हाडले. बाकीचे आहा थंय जाणा तेंचे फॅमिली आहा कोण कोण आहा पळय. जे पुलिसांना हाडला पळय तांकां हांव घेवन येयला. ते फॅमिली आहा ते थंय आहात ते तांचे आमी तांच्या फॅमिलीक हँड ओवर करतले. सो ते तेंच्यांनी घातले टू MLA लेटर, पुलीस लेटर, पंचायत लेटर, ते सगळे पेपर वर्क.
So you all are moving towards closure for sure.
South okay, surely, because we have not signed the contract. The first is the last day, so we have already told that we need to shut down, vacate these 2 houses.
Does currently government are taking care of such cases? Do they have this to go for? Because you all had said that you all are having some people for 7 years, 8 years what I have. The government currently they are holding some people who are there for 8 years and
ना ते कांय सांगूंक ना पळय.
because this is a big commitment for the government also.
पण गव्हर्मेंटान फुडें सरोंक जाय पळय. तांकां फुडें सरोंक जाय. आमी ऑलरेडी फायल घातल्या न्हू.
What we are looking at is, see, everything has got a system and that system is not in place. What we are asking for the last 1 year is create a policy, create a system whereby the system can operate by itself. It is not correct for us to come again and again on the streets demanding for money, for cash, which I feel, according to the Healthcare Act 2017, is the prerogative of the government to shelter the especially mentally challenged people. It is the prerogative of the government to create infrastructure and to shelter these people in mental, as you could call it, the right word according to the Act, mental health care establishment. We come under a mental health care establishment. So also IPHP comes under the same definition. Now, if that establishment is not there, now the government can operate it and an NGO can operate it. So it is the prerogative, therefore, of the government to provide funds for these establishments. Now, if the government cannot provide fund, and if we have to continuously come onto the streets to demand certain money, it's looking as if so petty. I mean, why we should get into such petty things when you just create a policy and let the system function on its own. You don't have to go to any minister, you don't have to go to any chief minister, don't have to go into any, the directors or the chairpersons of those commissions are responsible to create the whole system. So we are asking the government, please formulate a policy and to avoid all this kind of distaste. Why create distaste among so many people and the public at large? I mean, that is something now. If the government doesn't want to get into the idea of formulating these establishments, then the ultimate recourse is to go by law, go to the court, and get the establishment and get the governments to function as per the Act of the Healthcare Act 2017. I think some of you all should read the Healthcare Act, and I have been going through this again and again, and I find that even the police officer who finds anybody roaming on the street has to take that person and put him in IPHP, get his assessment done, find out where is his parents, find out from which state he is coming. All that is the job of the police as per the Healthcare Act. Now, if the police does not do that and finds the nearest healthcare establishment, that is Street Providence, and dumps them there and finishes and doesn't do anything, then I think somewhere the system is failing the underprivileged, failing those people who are suffering from mental illness, and failing to do its job as per the provisions set by the law.
Goa Human Rights Commission and Baroda.
Yes, now as far as that is concerned, I have already lodged a complaint with the Goa Human Rights Commission, and I have got a notice already that it has been taken up under proceeding 69 of 2025, and who are made respondents is the Director of Social Welfare, the Director Person with Empowerment of Disabilities, and the Director General of Police. So these three persons have already got the notice, so have I, and the notice says that they should remain present for the hearing on 3/9/2025 at 10:30 p.m. AM.
तो तुमकां कितें तरी एक
I feel because see now Street Providence has been doing this work on a humanitarian basis for a long time, and Street Providence feels also they have got a heart and they feel for such individuals, and that's the reason why now I feel as a citizen I should take up this matter, and because I have seen the Act, I have read the Act, and the Act clearly says that people with mental illness have also right to live and to right to have a home and to right to have a very good sanitary conditions. So If that is not being practiced in Goa, we will have to see that that is done through the courts or through some other, whatever the forums that we have. Presently, the immediate forum we had was the Human Rights Commission.
हे आता हे 35 लोकांचे हे केलं ते on what this complaint is on what?
This is not filed for 35 people. This is filed for the silence of the government on the issue of
Problems,
health, mental health care individuals who need mental health care. Individuals who need mental health care.
So it is a general.
It is a general.
Nothing to do with.
No, no.
आता 8 वर्सां जाली आमी हे काम करता ओके हजाराचे प्लस लोक येयले आनी हजाराचे प्लस लोक आमी धाडले पसून थोडे जे भायले आसले आतां इतके करून जर सगळ्यांक खबर आहा आमी कितें करताले गव्हर्मेंटाकूय खबर आहा डिपार्टमेंटाकूय खबर आहा सगळ्यांक खबर आहा तर जर हे खबर आसतना जर अहें जाता जाल्यार हे काम करून फायदो ना दिसता
तांकां आतां तुमी बसीन बघतले सध्या
आतां सद्या बशीन वता हांगा दवरून ते कांय फायदो ना
कितले पसून 5:30
हांव हांगा आसतलो हांव रावता हांगा कोण तरी येता पियाय जाल्यार पियाक फोन मारून सांगतलो बाबा कितें करूं फुडें तें सांग गाडये ना
तर 5:30 पासून रावतलो
हांगा आसतलो
म्हणजे ताज्या उपरांत तुमी डिसिजन घेतलं
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.